Welcome to Brave Quiz. Are you ready to chase your memory like Tom chases Jerry? In this ultimate Tom and Jerry trivia challenge, you'll face 50 tricky questions from one of the most iconic cartoons ever made. You have 8 seconds to answer each one. Are you ready? Let's get quizzing! Who is the mouse in Tom and Jerry? Tom, Jerry, or Spike? Yep, it's Catch Jerry. What is Tom's usual role? Villain, hero, or chef? Is villain. What kind of animal is Spike? Dog, cat, or mouse? Is a dog. Who is Spike's son? Maximum, Tyke, or Mike? Is Tyke. Where do Tom and Jerry usually live? Farm, city, or a house? Is house. What is the full name of Tom? Tom Hardy, Thomas Cat, or Tommy Meow? Thomas Cat. What is Jerry's favorite food? Cheese, pizza, or cake? Yep, is cheese. What year did the first Tom and Jerry episode air? 1930, 1940, or 1950? Is 1940. Who created Tom and Jerry? Walt Disney, Hanna-Barbera, or Chuck Jones? Hanna-Barbera. What color is Tom? Brown, black, or gray? Is gray. What does Jerry often use to escape? Holes in the wall. What is the name of the female cat Tom loves? Toots, Fluffy, or Kitty? Is Toots. What kind of pet is Jerry sometimes shown with? Duck, dog, or cat? Of course, duck. Which character is often annoyed by Tom and Jerry? Spike, the maid, or Tyke? The maid. What does Jerry use to outsmart Tom? Tricks. What is the common outcome for Tom at the end of an episode? Gets hurt. Who talks more in the series? Neither. What instrument does Tom play in The Cat Concerto? Piano. In The Two Mouseketeers, what theme is used? French. What's Jerry's cousin's name who wears a diaper? Tuffy. What does Tom often use to chase Jerry? All of the above. In which episode does Tom go to heaven? Heavenly Puss. What pet does Jerry sometimes ride? is duck? What kind of music is often in the background? Is jazz? What happens when Tom wins? It never lasts. What is unique about the episode Blue Cat Blues? It has a dark ending. What is Mammy Two Shoes known for? Slippers and yelling. What is Jerry's house made of? Mouse hole in wall. What holiday special features Tom and Jerry ice skating? Christmas. What often triggers a chase, peace, food theft, or sleep? Food theft. What is Tom's main goal in most episodes? Catch Jerry. What object is often thrown at Tom, plate, book, or frying pan? Is frying pan. What does Jerry often do when he escapes? Laugh, sleep, or cry? Laugh. In the episode Solid Serenade, what does Tom use to serenade? Violin, double bass, or guitar? Double bass. What's the usual tone of the show? Horror, comedy, or documentary? Is comedy. What is the name of the duckling that Jerry protects? Quacker, Daffy, or Flap? Sure is Quacker. What often motivates Tom besides catching Jerry? Food, impressing girls, or money? Impressing girls. What is Jerry's physical size compared to Tom? Same, smaller, or larger? Smaller. Who usually wins at the end of an episode? Tom, Jerry, or Spike? Of course, Jerry. In some episodes, what is Tom's job? Cook, babysitter, or bodyguard? What type of cartoon style is Tom and Jerry? Silent slapstick. What emotion does Tom show when he fails? Anger. What is Tom's weapon of choice? Anything he can find. What does Jerry sometimes use as transportation? A toy car. What kind of episodes did the 1960s version have? Psychedelic themes. Who directed many classic Tom and Jerry shorts? Fred Quimby. What did Tom and Jerry win in 1944? What is often exaggerated in the cartoon? Physical comedy. In the 2000s reboot, what changed? More talking. What always brings Tom and Jerry back together? Common enemy. Great job, quiz champ! Did Tom win or did Jerry outsmart you again? Let us know your score in the comments below. And if you had fun, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell for more awesome quizzes every week from Brave Quiz.